I'll be spending a long weekend in a whirlwind manner in Taiwan. To be honest, I have enough time to do Taipei and the nearby city this time round. In this episode, I will give an overview of what I did pre-trip preparation and how I land in Taipei International Airport before making my way into Taipei City. New Taiwan dollar is the currency of Taiwan. The first thing I need to do before flight day is to change money. After changing money, I proceed to the Taiwan Tourism Board at the Singapore branch. Do check out your local Taiwan Tourism Board for freebies before embarking on your trip. This time round, I was given a free one-way transport pass worth 160 new Taiwanese dollar from the airport to the city. On top of that, at the national level, the Taiwan Tourism Board also runs the lucky draw at this website. Do register yourself a week prior to your flight.
Several days later.
I have the pleasure of taking China Airlines to Taiwan. After taking so many airlines during my travel, this is my first time stepping into China Airlines, and the first destination has to be Taiwan, its home base. Naturally, I'm so interested in everything this airline got to offer. From its layout of the plane, how the airline food would taste, to even how the cabin crew look like and their services. China Airline in-flight entertainment system looks pretty up-to-date with a huge repertoire of in-flight entertainment to choose from. The leg space is good for a 6-footer guy with reasonable room to maneuver. I'm surprised to be served an appetizer round of peanuts and a choice of drink. Yes, I chose red wine. I am probably too used to taking budget airlines, so I never had any expectation of food to be served on board. Just when I'm contented with just appetizer, China Airlines surprises me with serving of the main course. Its economy main course is good for the price that I paid. In fact, more than what I've expected. I have my first round of Taiwanese beer as well, and on board. Flight time from Singapore to Taipei is less than 5 hours. After a round of appetizer and main course served, China Airlines basically leave us alone. There is no over-peddling of duty-free products to be sold on the plane. I prefer more time to have my own personal rest. Hello, I'm at Taipei International Airport at Taoyuan. Generally, custom clearance in Taiwan is no different from any country. There is a list of banned items or items needing to be declared, such as tobacco, liquor, drugs, adult material, and even a certain level of cash. Taiwan is very particular over the kind of food that you bring in. Okay, so make sure that you don't bring in food. So behind, that's the food X-ray machine that they have chosen. That I have to run my baggage over. Ooh, that's the queue that I have to go through. Oh my god. Non-citizen. As soon as I got off from the airport plane, okay, from the gate itself, I come across this mobile phone station. Okay, so this is the first thing that I need to secure: mobile phone SIM card. There are 3 mobile phone companies, okay, in Taiwan to choose from Chonghua to Taiwan Mobile, and this second one is Yuanda. Yep. Unfortunately, out of the 3, okay, 2 are closed, so I have no choice but to take the Chonghua Mobile. The SIM card costs 300 NT for 5 days unlimited 4G. So now I'm all connected to the outside world. Okay, so I've got the 5 days SIM card for 300 NT. Right, I've cleared the custom. Now this is the arrival hall. So I'm looking for the lucky draw. So that's the next thing that I'm going to do. It's the lucky draw thing. Yes, this is the one. So the lucky draw is just outside the arrival hall. Once you step out, you can just, try your luck over here. Lottery area, yes, that one. Okay, so what's my luck here? English. Start. Okay, scan my QR code. Ta-da. Click on your coin to stand to win. So after all, I'm still not that lucky. Okay, so now to get out of the airport. Oh, hold it first before going to the MRT. Makes sense to get the easy card. Okay, so that is the MRT card. Hi, 你好。这边可以买那个 easy card 吗？可以。好。你要买几张？你要几张？一张100块。一张100块。储值多少啊？储值的话要到楼下便利商店储值。哦，这个100，然后。里面是空的，就是里面是0块钱。0块钱。对，要继续充。好。So I've just got myself a easy card. So this is a store value card, which costs 100 NT. So it has got no store value in here yet. So I need to go down to the train station to top it up. Wow, I think 100 NT for a blank card is pretty expensive, in my opinion. Once you see this signage, turn left. So that will lead you to the MRT station. And then you come across this lift, which brings you down to the subway level or the MRT. I think this is the store value machine in which I can top up my EasyLink card. Okay, let me try. 请选择服务，请插入纸钞，请插入纸钞。I probably add 200 first. Let's see how it goes. Yep. 确定 confirm. 加值中，加值成功，请取回票卡。Okay, 200. Oops. Remember the one trip free transport pass that I've received in Singapore? I now have to redeem this pass with the subway token at the airport subway control station. Okay, thank you. So I've got this token. Alright. Keep my passport. So they gave me this station instruction. Okay, time for me to clock in. Okay. I think this is pretty much like a Thai system, the BTS. Okay, so one to the south, two to the north. Yes, just in time to Taipei. Open sesame. Okay, thank you. Alright, all seated. Alright, Taipei here I come. So I've reached the end of the airport terminal line, which ended in Taipei Main Station. So Taipei Main Station is the biggest station in Taipei, or in fact in the whole of Taiwan. I'm prepared to get lost in the station, in a huge station. In fact, at the exit of the Taipei Main Station, okay, which connects to the airport, so there is a check-in, okay, so you can actually do a city check-in over here, provided it is 3 hours before flight time. So I've just make an inquiry. Okay, so the last check-in ends at 9:30 p.m. So after 9:30 p.m. you are not allowed to do this city check-in. So in fact my journey is still halfway. Okay, so Taipei is not my destination. I am going to Keelung, yeah, which is about another 1 hour from Taipei. So just to give a sense of time, I reached Taipei International Airport at Taoyuan at 6 p.m. So it took me 2 hours to do all the necessary custom clearance and yeah, SIM card, blah blah blah, and lucky draw, so on and so forth. Okay, and from Taoyuan Main Station, I took an airport MRT into Taipei Main Station. Yeah, so that took me another half an hour, yeah, to reach Taipei Main Station. Right. So that concludes the end of the airport to Taipei journey. So if you like my video so far, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. See you then.